Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about star and delta configuration. So after that we will discuss about star to delta configuration and delta to star configuration. Okay, first before going to this topic we should know what is the meaning. Okay, what is the mean by star configuration and delta configuration. Okay, so actually these configurations explain about resistance. Okay, some resistance are connected different categories, different configuration. So we will solve the total resistance. Example, already we know that when resistance are series, when resistance, this is the symbol of resistance, already we know that. Okay, this is R1 and so this one is R2 and this one is a R3. So this is a series combination. So the total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, already we know this formula. So next, when resistance, so resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, so this is a parallel configuration. This one is a parallel configuration. So this one is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, what is the total resistance? So total resistance is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so this simple configuration, this simple circuit, we know that. Okay, this is a series combination. Resistance are connected in series form. Okay, so total resistance is equal to R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And when resistors are in parallel combination, parallel connection, so R1, R2, R3. So these three resistors are parallel. So the total resistance is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus R1. So this is a simple configuration. So when circuits, when resistance are combined, so like this, so this is the RA, RB and RC. So A, B, C are the end points. Okay. So when similar circuits are combined like this, so this is called as the star. So star or star, this is like star, so that it is called as this combination, this circuit called as a star configuration. Okay, simple, very simple. Here resistance or resistors are combined like this star, so it is like star, so that it is called as a star configuration. When resistors are combined like this, so RA, RB, RC, so this is like T, so that it is called as a T configuration. So star configurations, T configurations are same. Okay, na? So we don't confuse here. So star configuration, T configurations are same. So but shape or diagram is different, but total output is same. Okay, so in the case of star configuration, T configuration, the total resistance is equal to same. Okay, so this is called as a very simple. So these circuits or these resistance are combined like star or T, so that it is called as the star configuration or T configuration. And next one is another configuration is called as a delta configuration. Delta also called as a pi configuration. Okay, na? So delta also called as a pi configuration. So here resistance dissimilar or different resistors. These are the end points. A, B, C are the terminals. So the resistance between A and B is equal to RAB. So this is RBC. The resistance between B and C, so that it is called as RBC. The resistance between A and C is called as a RAC. Okay. So these are the different resistors combined like this. So it is like delta. It is like reverse delta. Okay. So that it is called as a delta configuration. Okay. The diagram or the shape, it look like as a delta, so that it is called as a delta configuration. And similarly, it is also called as a pi configuration. We know that the pi, okay, in mathematics we use this term pi. So it is like pi, so that it is called as a pi configuration. Okay, so pi configuration or delta configurations are same. Two circuits are same. Why? Because when we get the output of the circuit is some value, so it is the same value we get from this delta configuration. Okay, na? So once again you have to remember, so configurations are two types, star or Y or T configurations or delta or pi configuration. Okay, star Y, so it is like star or Y, so that it is called as a star or Y configuration. So it is like as T, so that it is called as a T configuration, as well as, so these circuits are like delta, so that it is called as a delta configuration or pi configuration. Okay, just nothing but here resistance or resistors are combined like this, so that it is called as a star or delta configuration or pi configuration. Okay, na? So this is the just introduction about the star and delta configuration. Next thing is why we are using these circuits. So these configurations is nothing but we will find that to solve the some complicated circuits. Okay, we have number of circuits. Okay, so we will solve from this. Okay, na? So we will solve the complex circuits, complicated circuit by using this configuration. So actually our topic is so star to delta configuration. Okay, na? So next time we will discuss about star to delta configuration, how the resistance are changed. Okay, so this is a just introduction about the star and delta configuration. Thank you.